What if 1 foot tall aliens were discovered in Wyoming? What if cats could talk? What if teachers were replaced with robots? What if an Egyptian pyramid was discovered on the moon? What if dinosaurs lived in Kentucky? Perhaps no question ignites more creativity than the what if question. Your mission for this activity is to think of 5 unique, silly, and creative what if questions and share those questions with a partner. Your partner will then choose one of those questions to respond to. When responding to a what if question, try to balance silliness with seriousness. It is, of course, strange to think of an Egyptian pyramid on the moon. However, if there was an Egyptian pyramid on the moon, how would the world respond? Would there be a race amongst nations to explore the pyramid? Would the Egyptians claim the moon as their territory? Would tourism thrive on the moon as social media influencers sought to take selfies with the pyramid? Be creative with your responses and be sure to write at least 200 words describing your what if scenario. Good luck.